Here are the instructions for installing and using Zoom on your mobile or tablet device. To install Zoom, start your browser, go to zoom.us/download, or in your app or Play Store search for Zoom Cloud Meetings. Once installed, launch Zoom to see this home screen. Go to Settings to configure the following options. Auto connect to audio, select Use Internet, and always show meeting controls to on. To join your class, click on Join a Meeting. Type in the meeting ID given to you by your class teacher and full name before clicking Join. If you are ever asked to join audio, please make sure you select Call using Internet Audio. You will always be put into a waiting room first. Your class teacher will now know that you have joined. When the teacher is ready to listen to you or start the Islamic Studies class, you will be admitted to the classroom. From the menu controls at the bottom, you will be able to turn on your mic and camera, as well as share content, chat, and raise your hand.